Now it's time for a ceremonial power on with the Audi e-tron GT again. Special thanks to our friends from PGA Cars. Ready? So, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in the countdown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Power on! Our electronic vehicle charging stations in SM Cebu malls are now officially open! Again, just head straight to SM Seaside and SM City Cebu to get your car battery fully charged. And while you wait, you get shop, dine, and be entertained in our favorite stores here at SM.
First nga N-Mall
Again,
Libre
park,
charging
pop,
station.
and plug your vehicles here at SM Seaside and SM City Cebu. The first ever in-mall electronic vehicle charging stations in the country.
On siya. Ang charges second level parking area sa mountain wing-side sa SM Seaside.
We are the first ever in-mall electronic vehicle charging station here in SM Seaside City Cebu and SM City Cebu. I'd like to request one more. Movement. Thank you very much for your time, everybody. And again, don't forget if you have electronic vehicles,
during
you know what to do. Bring them here at SM. Park,
10 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Dominggo, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Mausap ito sa SM City Cebu kay naaman sa Deconoy charging station. Tanan ni actually mga higala nga mga mall no sa SM Super Malls na aniining maong first in mall sa mall nga charging station niya libre ra kini ha, libre ra kini. Ang second sa source 30 minutes no ang ginugayon sa pag-charge niini.
And spread the best news.
Mahigala si Mr. Anton del Prado, ang batanon nga Regional Operations Manager sa SM Seaside. Sir, congratulations sa inyong endeavor, no? First of its kind. Mauta na ko kining sa mga e-vehicles nga moari diri, one vehicle at a time?
We have 2 slots, sir. We have 2. Pwede 1 vehicle at a time, pero we have 2 slots. So after niya, let's plug tayo, sir.
Okay, pila siya ka minutes, sir, ang charging niya?
It really depends on the It really depends on the vehicle.
Oh.
So na 2 hours, na mga depende sa number of hours sa vehicle niya, sir.
Pero ang minimum niya at least 30 minutes, 1 hour.
Pwede na, sir. For us, sir, it's okay for as long as depende na dyan sa tao, sir. If they want to stay longer, if they want to stay for the full 1 hours today, we're open to that. It really depends on the customer.
Pero dili ba siya makadamit sa vehicle in case nga dili na to i-fully charge, sir? Ato na siyang kuhaon.
It really depends on the manufacturer's details, sir. Pero from what I know, it doesn't matter. It's just like a cell phone. So it's as simple as plugging it in and then using it already. And as how we tried it earlier before the event, all you have to do is to plug it in and then wait for the button to turn green, and it's gonna be okay. So once you're done with the charging, you press it again, wait for the green button to turn white, and then you pull it out. So it's just like placing in your USB to your laptop.
So how many hours, sir?
It really depends. It really depends on the manufacturer. Yeah.
So this is all for free.
These are all for free for as long as you're here within the mall hours. So our mall hours is from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays and then until 10 p.m. on weekends. And one pasawa.
I understand, sir, this is just one socket lang for now.
Yes,
but,
one socket
other
for now.
plans to expand to
Yes,
more?
yes. So the focus now is to expand nationwide. Here in Cebu, this is the first. This in SM Seaside. This one in SM Cebu is launched simultaneously. So once we get to roll out nationwide, we'll add more sockets.
Sir, this is a new thing and there's not a lot of demand for this. Are we foreseeing e-vehicles to become
Yes, sir.
a thing?
E-vehicles is the future, sir. Really sees that. We're supporting it. So for as long as it's for a cleaner environment, for a cleaner future, we're always in for that. This is also because of our goal of having the green SM movement. So this is really part of our stance, sir.
Dili ni siya dako siya o kining kuan sa power ninyo sa SM, sir?
No, sir, because actually we have solar-powered roof deck.
Oh.
Our part of our roof deck is maybe 50% of our roof deck is covered by solar power.
Oh.
So we get power from solar and then we just distribute it. So it's just a cycle that we do here in SM.
So gikan din siya sa solar power.
Not entirely from the solar, sir, but we have solar power.
Oh.
So it just transfers from the source back to ano.
Okay. Is this simultaneous grand launching in all
No,
SM
sir.
Supermall,
We
sir?
already have more. We have 2 digits already up in Luzon.
Oh.
But in Visayas and Mindanao, this is the first.
Okay. What about in SM City Cebu?
It's launched simultaneously today, sir.
Do you have
Yeah.
any plans of expanding your ports if
Yes.
there's a demand?
Yes, of course. That's why we're here. We want to introduce it to the public first. Once the public gets more sanay na to it, we'll add
You
more
plan to
ports.
buy more electric cars because it's more environment friendly.
It's environment friendly. That's why it's always for the customers, always for the environment as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Higala si Mr. Anton del Prado, ang Regional Operations Manager sa SM Seaside. Higala, no? So, mao ni ang purpose ni moari mo SM o niya i-vehicle ang inyong sakyanan, nya di mo mabalaka kay pwede ra mo magka-charge diri for free. Manghigala maayong hapon kanatong tanan.